Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about OnePlus Z wireless bullets review. So let's get started. Let's talk about the hardware regarding OnePlus wireless Z bullets. The hardware of OnePlus Z, I can say that it's not great or not worst. It's in between. The neckband, which comes in a plastic material, doesn't look that great. The portion which covers your neck is made up of smooth rubberized material, which is pretty good in terms of my usage. I felt pretty comfortable wearing this and I don't have any rashes, itches or some kind of any uncomfortable feeling while wearing this on my neck for hours and hours. I had used this band extensively for a couple of weeks or more than couple of weeks. Still I don't have any problem while I'm using this band. So this material doesn't create any problems for me. Apart from this smooth rubberized material, the plastic comes beneath this rubberized material doesn't look that great. I mean, it doesn't look worst or it doesn't look great, but you can manage with this material. Mainly I didn't like this wire which comes from the band to the ear tips. These are pretty thin and pretty delicate also. According to me, this wire quality doesn't look good at all. When we come to this plastic material where we have volume rockers and a play and pause button, this plastic material is not that good or not that great. It seems to be okay for me because I have never put such kind of a pressure on this material, and these buttons are pretty tactile also, so there is no scenario or a situation where I need to put a lot of pressure on this. Let's come to the quality of these earbuds, which are made of plastic. On this plastic, black color has been coated in a glittery manner, like this black color shines on this plastic. By this gives you a certain look that the quality is good, but it is made up of entirely plastic and this seems to be pretty okay. Not that great or not that worst, but it seems to be okay for me. And the ear tips which comes with this are very comfortable in my ears. I have used for several hours continuously wearing these ear tips and I don't have any problem at all. The ear tips are very smooth, very comfortable wearing in my ears. So I don't have any problem with these ear tips, and the best part in this wireless neckband are ear tips. I love these ear tips. It gives me great comfort wearing this in my ears. When coming to the magnets in these earbuds, the magnets are pretty responsive and they are pretty strong also. If we bring these two to the close distance, it will definitely attract to each other strongly. The functions which are pausing the audio while connecting both to each other works pretty good. The speed of connecting to the phone when the buds are separated is pretty fast and I like that. So now let me tell you about one important feature in this band, which is the button situated over here. This button is used for quick switching between two devices and it's pretty useful. This kind of a mechanism and feature need to present in all wireless Bluetooth earbuds. This is pretty simple. By double clicking on this button, you can switch from one device to another device. I usually use these Bluetooth earphones for my phone and my first system. So when I'm connected to my phone and I want to listen to the music on my system, I just double click on this button and it will switch to my system automatically in a second. That's really good useful feature which is provided in this band, and this should be implemented in all wireless Bluetooth earphones. So now let's talk about the battery life on this one. Battery life is amazing on this OnePlus Z wireless bullets. You won't be disappointed regarding the battery life on this. And the charging mechanism, which is charge of 5 minutes and you will get 1 hour battery life, is also amazing and it works with every power socket. Just you need to use the cable which is given for this band to charge it. So now let's come to the main department for which we get these wireless Z bullets, which is audio quality. The audio quality on this is not extraordinary or not worse. The bass on this wireless Z bullets are not that great, but it is enough for a lot of people. If you are a bass lover who want to listen thumping sound every time when you want to listen to music, then this OnePlus Z wireless bullets may disappoint you. But the sound quality on this is really good. The stage sound is also really good. The highs, mids and lows are pretty clear on this, but the bass is lacking a little. Otherwise these are pretty good in terms of the music, and I don't have any problems regarding listening music on this apart from the bass department. So there is a feature in this which is low latency mode, which works only on OnePlus devices. If you connect this OnePlus Z wireless bullets to OnePlus device on Fanatic mode, it gives you a low latency mode which works while gaming. Apart from that, it doesn't work on any other mobiles. If you have a OnePlus phone, then this will be beneficial for you in that department regarding low latency. On the whole, I rate this OnePlus Z wireless bullets around 7.5 to 8 because it ticks most of the boxes, but it doesn't tick few things which are important also, like bass and the low latency mode and the hardware quality. But the price is really good. For 2000 you are getting a OnePlus Z wireless bullets. So that's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because much more content coming up. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.